Hello people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are around the world. Now, it is no gainsaying that AI, that's artificial intelligence, has taken over or has impinged on almost all aspects of our lives. Now, you talk about the media, you talk about the creative industry, you talk about almost any aspect of human life that you can think of. Now, to even take it further, AI is actually entrenched. AI has a part to play in healthcare these days. There is actually AI in healthcare. So in today's video, I want to take you through a particular AI platform that you can use, to get value from the perspective of healthcare. Put it simply, AI in healthcare. So if today is the very first time of you watching, I'm doing Tech Handyman. Get ready. Let's do this together. So guys, head over to your search bar and type Docus AI, and then search it up. The first one is actually docus.ai. So you click on it, it opens up. This is actually the landing page. You can see AI powered health platform. This is where the magic happens. You can actually try Docus for free, or you can sign in. If you want to use the free version, you don't need any sign in, so you can sign in or you can try it for free. So if you scroll down, you see there are actually two options here for you to get a second opinion. The first one is to use the virtual assistant or to consult top doctors using this platform. Now we're going to use the virtual assistant. So this is the chat interface of this particular AI tool. You can see here, hello, I'm here to support you with any health related question or worries you may have. Note, the more detailed information you share, the better I can assist you. This is exactly how you start. So if you scroll down a bit, you can see where we are going to type in the health issue that we want answers to. In this place, you have up to 2,000 characters. I'm going to quickly type in a particular sample health issue here. A 23-year-old lady with intense pain on the left side of the stomach. The pain increases anytime I eat spicy food. Just like so. Once I'm done, I'll just click send. So this is a disclaimer, read through it. Once done, just check on the box and click continue. So in a matter of seconds, it takes you here. Now look at how it opens as if you are in a consultation room with a doctor, medical doctor, apologizing for experiences and then asking questions. The first question, depending on the case you reported, these questions will follow the particular health issue you imputed, from 1 to 5. So we are going to provide answers to all of these questions. So underneath that, you can see based on your current symptom, it's important to consider several possibilities. This could include, and it goes ahead to list some of the medical conditions that are likely the case in this situation. So this is just a guesswork as a result of the info we supply. So we're going to quickly answer all the questions asked like that. So if you look at the first question, how long have you been experiencing this pain? I put 2 years. Does the pain radiate to any part of the body? I said no. Have you noticed any change in your bowel movement? I said slightly. Have you experienced any weight loss, fever or nausea? I said occasionally. Fever. Do you have any known allergies or medical conditions? I said not at all. So I will just impute all of that answers and then click send again. So in a matter of seconds again, this particular tool will come up with tentative responses, probabilities in this case. So based on the information supplied, which is very important, so go ahead, detail the particular health situation to be able to get a higher degree of accuracy. So you can see there are quite a number here, up to 5. The first one is gastritis, peptic ulcer disease. That one is 40%. You can see gallstones at 10%. GRD is at 10% and others at 10%, but it's saying that based on the nature and the time, is likely going to be a peptic ulcer. and if you can see, the probability there is up to 40. So guys, this is AI in health. It's about to change things. So go ahead, sign in using this button so that you can get more messages to be able to ask more questions related to health. And of course, there are two solutions like I mentioned earlier. You can use the virtual health assistants, which is this AI tool, which is what we have used, or you can use consultation to consult top doctors from the US and the UK using this particular AI tool. Guys, thank you for watching this amazing video. See you in the next.